We are out there now in deep space, very far out there. The astonishing truth is that our minds travel at speeds far beyond the speed of light, far beyond the speed of any warp drive we can imagine, far beyond the edges of our most powerful dreams, but our bodies stay home. In the depths of intergalactic space, it's hard to find a good cup of coffee or tea. You're looking at a digital video conjured up out of the Galactic catalog using the Digital Universe software available from the Hayden Planetarium. In the catalog there are about 30,000 galaxies that cover a range of 300 million light years. The Milky Way, with our Sun inside it, lies at the center of this observed data set you're looking at. And you can almost see the Milky Way in this image. The Milky Way is very close to one of the green dots at the exact center of the image. Each green dot marks another galaxy. Each galaxy contains up to thousands of millions of stars. We are circling around the Milky Way in the image among its neighboring green dots, and you can see other dots in the background. Every dot marks another galaxy of stars, all much farther away than the green ones. The green dots represent galaxies in what we call the local group. The labels M33 and M31 Andromeda mark two of the largest galaxies in the local group. M31 is one of our closest neighbors, a mere 2.5 million light-years from us. Close enough for our telescopes to resolve individual stars in its spiral arms. When the light from the stars of M31 began its journey to our eyes, the human race on Earth had not yet emerged. Evidence of our earliest traceable ancestry only takes us back 2 million years here. In this universe, its galactic gems glowing softly against the deep velvet of space, we are still babies. Everything resonates with pattern. We can use the Digital Universe software to create a video of stars as we circle our Sun at a distance of 30 or so light years. That video would show us a pattern of dots similar to what you're seeing now. But in that one, each dot would be only a single star image, and the greatest distances embraced in that image would be about 3,000 light years. Finding that cup of coffee or tea would take a little less time. The Tully catalog, covering a range of 300 million light-years, is not the largest catalog of galaxies we have. More recently, the huge 2-mass galaxy survey was completed, listing about 1.14 million galaxies, out to a range of 2,000 million light-years. We have lots of neighbors, even if there's some lag in talking with them. The term 2-mass is short for 2-micron all-sky survey, which used infrared eyes, different from ours, to find and classify the galaxies. To look out in space is to look back in time. We find this profuse and glorious writing of creation all around us, and all we can do is wonder at it. The deeper we look, the farther we reach, the more different eyes we open to this scintillating world, the greater grow our amazement and awe. But here we are in our small bodies, striving to live with the bumps and bruises of our everyday lives, and sooner or later we say, I have to get back to sleeping and working and eating and loving, and we do. What can anyone teach or preach or explain about any of this stunning existence? We stand together, we share these inner journeys, we wonder and we travel life together. Life is our precious gift. It humbles us, assures us, gathers us, and lifts us up. Viewing these priceless gems as they have been sifted from our experience, we see the signs of what we cannot know or understand. But these signs are there for us to see, to embrace, and to assimilate. For all this I give my deepest thanks, always.